Oh my, it is a cold start to the week and the wind doesn't make it feel
cold start to
any
autumn.
better. Yeah, right?
Yeah. Did you enjoy yesterday though? It got above freezing. It got all the way to 34.
Wow.
I mean, it's normally,
No, it didn't
statistically,
feel
we're
like
supposed to be 50 this time of the year or around 50, but 34 yesterday. I was ready to jump in the pool. I don't know about you guys. It felt really, really nice outside at 34. Anyway, take a look at what's going on outside right now. 21, I would, except the pool's closed. It's covered. Anyway, 21 right now in Sioux City. Beautiful shot overlooking the river towards South Sioux, and we've got some clouds around, but the skies are going to clear tonight as the winds drop off. That will allow what we call radiational cooling. That's when the Earth sends back up into space the heat, if you want to call it that, what little heat it gathered during the day. It's going to be bitter cold again out there tonight. We're 21 in Sioux City, 19 Orange City, 18 in Sheldon. It's 19 in Wayne. For you folks out there in Ida Grove, you're a balmy 21, 18 in Storm Lake and 20 right now. In Spencer, when you factor in the little breeze we have out there, the wind chill factor is in the single digits here in Sioux City and close to the single digits all across Siouxland right now. You've got to cover your ears, your head, and your fingertips, and especially that applies to the very young and the elderly out there. Frigid temperatures overnight tonight. We're looking at low temperatures down to 7, but this right here, I snuck that on there. You see that? Welcome change is coming. That's really the highlight of this roller coaster weather, and here's what I mean. It'll be warmer by midweek as the winds switch around into the southwest. We'll see high temperatures getting back into the 50s by midweek. We're talking probably not Wednesday, though it'll be close. More likely on Thursday when that happens. Then here comes the roller coaster. Another cold front comes through on Friday and Saturday, but that should be the last cold front that we see until Thanksgiving. We have one more in the pipeline. It's way up there in northern Canada, and it looks like Friday and Saturday. And by the way, we may get a little bit of light snow or a dusting of flurries from that Friday night. Now, having said all that, looking way long range, I've been watching the long range computer models, and I've really been hesitant because they've been kind of wishy-washy as they typically are. But I think we're kind of locked in here to a pattern by next week where Thanksgiving Day will feature clouds and sun. It looks dry. Hopefully your turkey won't be dry. Hopefully the weather is the only thing that's dry. And 55. That'll be really nice on Thanksgiving Day. So we'll see if that changes. It might, a little bit over the next 10 days. That's the way it's looking right now. 7 overnight tonight, becoming clear, extremely cold out there. For tomorrow, we'll see a frigid morning. Then not as cold in the afternoon. Temperatures at 34, but it's still well below normal. Look at that, close to 50, maybe an optimistic 50 on Wednesday, in the 50s on Thursday. One more cold front Friday and Saturday, and then that should be it through at least Thanksgiving.
And you said we normally average around 50 this time?
Around 50, normally. Normal. What's normal anymore?
Yeah, no, not around here. All right, thanks. I got up this morning and I saw the ice melting on the back deck. I knew it was going to be a better day.
Yeah, exactly. A lot of us had to scrape the windshields this morning. It was a thick coating of ice, and then it popped up to 40 for the high temperature out there today. When I've got rain and snow and warm and cold in my forecast, the folks at home may be thinking, this guy can't make up his mind. So I'm just going to throw it all out there, right? No, it's actually Mother Nature can't make up her mind because we're going to see all this in the next 3 to 5 days. Take a look at what it looks like out there today, though, and I took a couple of snapshots of some of the last little bit of snow that was managing to survive in the shady spots out there today. Notice that sunshine, we got above freezing. What little snow we had is now gone. It's nice to see the grass again. And yeah, in the shade, you get to see some of that. Again, underneath some of the trees there also. Notice the shade there, little patches of snow. Looks like early spring when all the snow is melted and that's all that's left. Well, that's all that's left from the earlier snowfall. But wait, there's more, as they say, because we're going to see warmer temperatures, 40s and 50s tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. Then the next cold front gets in late Friday afternoon, Friday evening. That'll get us a few rain showers and a much colder weekend. And some of those rain showers could change over to a little bit of a light snowfall by late Friday night and early Saturday. So we're going to go all over the map here in terms of our conditions in Siouxland in the next 3, 4, 5 days. 36 right now. Clear skies. This camera shot sponsored by JC Roofing and Insulating. What a beautiful sunset here in Siouxland right now. Temperatures are falling back into the 30s now. In fact, it's already below freezing for you folks out there in Cherokee, Orange City, Sheldon, Spencer, Storm Lake, way out toward Pocahontas as well. Farther west you go, is still fairly mild out there. So here's the roller coaster weather, the ups and downs that are coming. We woke up to a frigid 6 degrees this morning. and warmer air is on the way. So we may be able to shed some of those layers in the next couple of days. We'll get back into the 40s and 50s. Then a cold front comes in. As I explained to you earlier, it's going to be pushing through, setting us up for a much colder weekend with a chance for a little bit of light snow. Here is my 9-day forecast. Going to do this every day leading up to Thanksgiving, sticking my neck out. Again, it could change, but 50 now for Thanksgiving Day. It looks like it'll become cloudy. And yesterday it looked like it was going to be dry. Today it looks like there may be a few showers by afternoon. We'll update that again tomorrow. 18 overnight tonight, clear and cold, not as frigid as last night, 6 degrees. At least we have 2 numbers in our low instead of 1. Tomorrow, sunny skies, noticeably milder, up to 48. We'll be in the 50s Thursday and Friday. And then all of a sudden, a chance for some light snow early Saturday. How's that for keeping the weather guy on his toes?
I'm looking forward to Thursday and
I'm looking
Friday
forward to
see
spring.
those.
Yeah, there you
Oh,
go.
we've
Got a
gone
ways
a
to go,
while
buddy.
now.
I know.
All right, thanks, John.